Hi, my name is Sheila Hill. I'm an intuitive life coach and a spiritual guide. Today, I want to talk to you about what I call the quantum whiteboard. So, we are multidimensional beings having a quantum experience within the quantum field. What that means is that in the quantum field, everything that has ever been in all existence of time and space, everything that's ever been, everything that is, and everything that is going to be is all available in fluid and available sort of in like a code-like energetic form in the quantum field. We can just reach into the field and pluck ourselves some experiences in energetic form and physicalize them. That's what alchemy is. That's where we're headed. But what are we doing right now? What are we doing through this global ascension process that is so incredibly mind-blowing and remarkable? Is that we are rewriting and overwriting history as though some events and eventually all events here on the planet will be as though they didn't exist. So you see, as you do your own inner healing work, where you dissolve, dismantle, heal, transmute, transcend certain events that happened in your life, you 0 point them and close the timeline in which that experience existed so that that timeline no longer exists as a part of your experience. You aren't dragging it with you from one now into the next now, from one day into the next, 1 year into the next. That is why we begin to lose our memory of some of the things that have happened in our lives, because once you heal it, dissolve it, transcend it, close the timeline down, it just becomes etheric information. It's available in the quantum field should you need it. However, it isn't something that you are actually keeping alive within your body or within your unconscious. So here's where the whiteboard comes in. If you imagined that you were fresh and clean and clear in this now moment, then your whiteboard of code that represents this now moment would be clean and clear. And then you would encode energetically this experience of this now moment onto the whiteboard. But then you move into the next now moment. And if you don't bring this now moment with you into the next now moment, because there's no reason to, your whiteboard is wiped clean and the next now moment is fully and completely experienced cleanly, exactly how it's meant to be. This is how we are meant to operate in the quantum field. So then your whiteboard's clean, and the code from that moment would then go onto the whiteboard and express that experience. And then you move to the next moment where you don't take that one with you and your whiteboard's wiped clean as though the time before didn't exist, and you write a whole new code for that moment. This is where we're headed. This is what we are doing on a much grander scale, both individually and collectively as a humanity. We are transmuting, transcending, and clearing within ourselves, collapsing timelines from our past, dissolving the energetic code that was the existence of that experience, and wiping the whiteboard clean. We're doing it collectively as a human collective as well, in that certain experiences, timelines, energetic codes for things that have occurred here as a part of the third dimensional experience are being brought to the surface so that it can be healed, dissolved, transmuted, and transcended into the light, wiping the whiteboard clean. Once we arrive into a fifth dimensional state as a humanity, where we are completely clean and clear and dissolved of all third dimensional experiences, the entire third dimensional experience that has happened for humanity and for Gaia will be wiped clean, and a whole new energetic code of experience, a whole new story, and a whole new history will be created from the next now moment and every now moment going forward. So there will be a time in probably our lifetime, that we will be in a fifth dimensional density reality with fifth dimensional and beyond consciousness. And the story of the third dimensional Gaia and the third dimensional humanity will literally have been wiped completely clean as though none of it ever happened. It is a complete rewrite and overwrite of every third dimensional experience, individually and collectively, being completely dissolved, so that a whole new reality, story, existence, and experience can be birthed. It is absolutely incredible, mind-blowing, maybe not so easy to digest in one video, but this was a short video, so you can hit rewind and watch it again. Until next time, much love to you. Bye-bye.